If you can't share location on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, here's what you can do to solve this issue. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings. You want to go to your Apple account. If you are not signed into any Apple account, then of course you will have to do that. So either create or log into Apple account to be able to share the location. And even if you are signed in, you can also go to iCloud and check if you are not asked to provide the password. If you do, then you will have to do that, and then you will be able to share the location. And in addition to that, what you can also do is we're gonna go back to the main page of settings. We can scroll down to privacy and security, and over here we have location services, and you want to make sure that this option is enabled. Besides that, in here we can see the list of apps that have access to the location. So you might need to go to the Find My app, which you can find, for example, in the home screen or in the app library, and then you will be asked to grant the permission for the app to the location services. So of course you want to do that. In location services setting, you can also go to share my location, and of course you can enable this option, share my location. Find My iPhone must be enabled as well. So this and this, these two options should be on. And if none of this helped so far, then the last thing that you can do is to restart your iPhone. You want to turn it off and turn it back on. Well, you can, for example, do this by going to General Settings, scroll down to find the shutdown option, and over here just slide to the right side in order to power off your iPhone, and then turn it back on shortly after that, and check if this time location sharing works. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.